Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make sweet potato salad with crispy quinoa. So this is a salad I had earlier and it was so delicious. Sometimes I struggle to have salad because salad is good for you, but I struggle when I kind of contemplate on it. I struggle because maybe sometimes it hasn't got any seasoning on it, it hasn't got any dressings on it, it hasn't really been mixed in a way that makes it tasty. But when you get salad and you put a seasoning on it, you put different flavors, different dressings, you put oils in it, you merge it together, you mix it together, you have it. It's a completely different ball game altogether. So that's what happened with this sweet potato salad. So delicious. And let's move on to the recipe itself. So I have some washed baby spinach, a big handful of it. I'm just going to tip that into a big bowl like this. Okay. So I have some sweet potatoes and that goes into the bowl. So I'll just entirely put that in there. So we have sweet potatoes that have been seasoned with salt, pepper, paprika, and olive oil. And they were roasted in the oven for 20 minutes. So add in 1 green apple that has been cubed, 1/3 of a cup of pomegranate, 1/3 of a cup of walnuts. This is the crispy quinoa that was prepared earlier on. Now that will entirely be put into the bowl. And wow, what a mixture. Okay guys, if you want to learn how to make the crispy quinoa that is shown in this recipe, then continue watching towards the end of the video. Quinoa is very high in protein, so it's again one of those that is a superfood. That is a superfood in its own right. It's already looking so colorful, so wonderful. You can only imagine how it would taste when you begin to eat it. Now we're going to season with some salt, so just add some salt to taste in there, like so. And add some black pepper as well. That will go wonderfully well with this. What a blend. So add in some cayenne pepper. That's it. That'll give a nice kick as well. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 1 teaspoon whole grain mustard. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Approximately 1 tablespoon of honey. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. So that's the balsamic vinegar. And then squeeze in either some lemon or some lime juice. A thin lemon or lime juice. That's like so that's like drenched with that. Now let's give the dressing a mix. Oh, that smells good. I can smell the lime, the lemon just coming up. Oh, fantastic. Wow. That's nicely mixing together. And now we're going to add in our beautiful dressing that we looked at earlier with the balsamic vinegar, with the lime, with the olive oil, with the mustard paste. So that's that. Now give it a good mix. Just make sure that the spinach leaves are dressed with all of the seasoning, with the olive oil, the balsamic vinegar, that everything is touched with the blend of ingredients that have been placed in there, so that each bite you take is consistent. Okay, you saw how to make the sweet potato salad with crispy quinoa. Well worth trying out if you haven't already, because this is salad 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, whatever you want to say. It's really up to you with the ratings, but it definitely is an upgrade to any salad that you're ever going to have in your entire life. So with that said, like the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible. Comment below what you'd like for us to make in the future. We do fulfill requests, so if you have any requests, feel free to write it down and we will fulfill your request. If not that, just comment what you made of this video and whether you are going to try this out. And with that said, catch you in the next one.